Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's from Kenya. Let's cook and bake simple recipes using simple ingredients. Yeah guys, you're back with the bang, you're back with the gang guys, Team Britain guys. We are back with more cooking videos and some pranks. We're going to get someone guys, and today we're going to be cooking guacamole. Yeah guys, this is a side dish of ugali, nyama choma or githeri guys. You can take it to any dish that you want or any snack guys. Yes guys, thank you for all your subscriptions guys, and the road to 800 subscribers guys. Let's do this guys, let's go to our kitchen guys.